Welcome to another exciting episode of Casting and Cooking. Today we're making smoked crab stuffed deviled eggs. We got our smoke tubes on the grill. As you can see, the grill's smoking up. We're going to get our eggs on in just a minute. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss any notifications. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. We got our eggs boiled and peeled and they're going to go on the smoker. We're going to set these on. We're going to let these smoke for about an hour and a half. This is a cold smoke. We'll see you in about an hour and a half. So what is cold smoking exactly? Cold smoking is you're infusing the smoky flavor at a very low temperature. You're not actually cooking the food. You can cold smoke all kinds of things. People smoke cheese, cream, fish, or eggs like we're doing here. All you need to do to cold smoke is you could get a pellet tube. They're all over the internet. They also have little smoke boxes. You put your pellets in there. You don't even need a pellet grill or smoke box or smoke chamber per se. You can use a grill or any kind of enclosed chamber. Do not do that inside. And then you put the tubes in there, you light it with a little torch, and then you can put the food inside. There's recipes all over the internet. It's very easy to do. I suggest you give it a try. It gives great flavor to the food. Okay, so we're at our hour and a half mark. So we're going to check on our eggs. So as you can see, our eggs are this beautiful yellowish brown color. That is exactly what we are looking for. So we're going to go ahead and remove these eggs. We're going to place them in this ice bath here. We're going to go ahead and bring these inside. Come back. We got our eggs inside. We're going to go ahead and half these, and we're going to put our yolks inside this container here. We're going to go ahead and fill this all up with all our yolks. Okay, we got all of our egg yolks in the bowl. To that, we're going to add some mayonnaise. We're going to add just under a quarter of a cup. You can always add more. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of mustard. So we're going to add the yellow mustard. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. About 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to add some of your favorite barbecue spice rub. I like the Rufus Tagoo. And I'm not going to add the crab just yet. I'm going to add that at the end so we get a bite in every egg. And then you want to go ahead and mix this all up. Next, you want to go ahead and get some bacon going. I got this naturally hardwood smoked maple bourbon thick cut bacon, so I'm going to go ahead and get that cooking. While the bacon's cooking, you want to go ahead and get your lump crab meat. You're going to go ahead and add a little bit to each egg, so you make sure you get a piece in every bite. Next, you want to take all the yolk filling and put it into a Ziploc bag. You're going to use this to pipe the yolk into the eggs, or the filling into the eggs. Squeeze that all the way down into the corner, like so. Then you want to take your scissor, cut the corner off of your bag. Then you're going to go ahead and pipe your eggs. And we'll be back in just a minute, and I'm going to show you how we're going to top these off. Okay, so here's how we're going to finish these off. We got our maple bourbon bacon, we got some sweet heat jalapeños, and we got our lump crab meat, and then we're going to use a little bit of our Rufus Tagu barbecue seasoning. So let me show you how we're going to finish these off now. So you want to take one of these sweet heat jalapeños, you go ahead and put that in the back with a piece of bacon and some of your lump crab meat on top, like so. And then some of this Rufus Tagu seasoning. And I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to show you a picture of the finished product. Okay, and we are back with the finished product, and that's how they look. Crab stuffed deviled eggs topped with maple bourbon bacon and jalapeno. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Castin Cooking. Thanks for watching. We're out.